Okay, I'm gonna get into my makeup now. So if you guys have any questions about this product, I can color match you, but Instagram is so hard to deal with. So you can just swipe up and go to my color match form and you can ask me questions there as well. So I'll try my best to tell you what I'm using too. So I will put my link here if you wanna just go to the Maskcara website and purchase it without getting a color match or just on your own. I always start with Stay Spray and end with Stay Spray. Amber highlight, here, here, here. I'm so sorry, that was so bad. And then I do Mango on the bottom part of my face. Okay, and by the way, if you don't know what I'm doing, each one of these are $14. You buy them individually, and then depending on how many singles that you buy, you qualify for free compacts. This one is the double decker. I'm obsessed with it because it holds everything. It's got 2 stacks. Okay, so then I move on to my contour, which I'm gonna use Olive. So those 2 colors together make my foundation. That's all I'm using. I'm not using anything else. And I just put the contour here. Look at what a difference that makes. Okay, and then I put it up here too. It blends in like butter. And then I just run it along the bottom of my jaw. And then I just put whatever's left over kind of underneath my lip. And then whatever's left over here. So since it's cream, it actually goes on pretty dry, but it's pliable, so it moves around and blends in. If you're putting it on and it's not blending and it doesn't look seamless, you're putting on probably too much or you have the wrong color. So, clap, clap, say yay! Say yay! Do you want a pretzel? Okay, here you go. Sorry, this is like the never-ending tutorial. Okay, so then I use Dahlia for my blush. Obvi. Okay, then I'm just getting into Bella Bronzer. This is like the last step, I promise. And then I put it on with my Perfector sponge just to kind of tie in everything together. And I do it up here on my forehead, too. Okay, moving on. Okay, so now I'm gonna get into the fun stuff. I'm gonna use my powders, and I'm gonna use some illuminators, a illuminator. I think I'm gonna go with, can't remember, Glamazing today. So all of these are new. They're so pigmented. I mean, watch. They're shocking. They're shocking. Okay, so I'm gonna put on Glamazing. I haven't tried it with using this. Oh my gosh, is it gonna be too crazy?
Mommy,
okay.
Can you hold this for me?
Whoa. I feel like you have to be so careful with illuminators because you can go overboard really fast. So I don't like it when you can kind of see the line. So what I did is I put it on with this brush. This is the powder. Then I just went back in with my blush and just kind of did a really quick once over just to kind of like blend everything in and just get rid of any lines or anything just to keep it seamless. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my crease color, which is Leo. Blippy, my gosh. Do you wanna see which one's your name? Do you know what that one's called?
No.
Look. What's that one?
And dirty.
That one's Goldie. Oh. What color do you think that one should be called? The blue.
That one looks like a mermaid.
Like a mermaid. I said it's by you, and she goes, why? Okay. All right, so now I'm going to do Soulmate, which is right here. This Instagram story thing, it is literally taking me 10 times as long as if I did a live video. I mean, seriously. Okay, then I'm going to put Unicorn, which is this light white right here, under my brow bone. Okay, then this is Philly.
Mommy.
What, sweetie? I'm just lining and doing my outer corner.
I'm happy. I want one more.
Okay, and then just because I can't resist, I'm gonna put a little bit of this La La Land glitter on top. I can't not do it. I can't. I feel like we need a moment of silence. Oh my gosh. Yes. You guys, I'm almost done. Literally, I think I've been doing this for like over 2 hours. This is insane. This is Oak by MAC. And then this is Loyalist by Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This is probably my favorite drugstore product. This color and everything, this formula is amazing. And then my Buxom Gloss in Emma. Just like, I don't know. I always go for a nude. This is like the perfect. Oh my gosh, final step. I'm gonna set with my Stay Spray. That's it. We're done here. Okay, Scott came down and he just said, you're still doing this. Yes. Because you guys.
We have other lives, right?
What?
We have other lives to live, right?
It's almost dark outside. Okay, so just to wrap up, since I'm done, I'm gonna post the swipe up link here again if you need me to color match you or you need to ask questions. You can use my color match form. I'm just being an Instagram dad. I said, are you being an Instagram dad? Wow, your eyes look so blue.
Are you taking the picture? Okay. Months and months and months. Okay, I'm gonna give you what I call a pussycat. Need a headshot. Okay.
Uh-oh, it didn't focus. Hold on. Okay, here we go.
Let me get in the character. Okay, let me get in the character.
Okay, what do you think about your photo?
That's the character I was going for. Did you see me getting into character? You ready for it? Sure. I call that desperate number 2.
Desperate number. Do you like my makeup today?
Oh, you killed it, honey.
Oh, thank you.
Is that stone with wheat with glitter tasfastic?
Glitter tasfastic. Yeah.